All right, the function f of x equals negative 0.25 times x minus 2 squared plus 8 models the path of a volleyball when the player is 2 feet from the net. The height of the net is 7 foot 4 inches. Will the ball go over the net? Okay, so the first case, we have the function f of x equals negative 0.25 times, and we want to know if when x is 0, which is where the net is, when x is 0, what is this all going to equal? So we're going to do 0 minus 2, I guess we're actually finding f of 0, squared plus 8. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4, so we have negative 0.25 times 4 plus 8. 0.25 times 4, that's negative 1 plus 8, which is equal to 7 feet. The net is 7 foot 4 inches, so no, the ball will not go over the net at that if she is 2 feet away and she hits it according to that path. The second part of the question is, what if the player moves back so she is 4 feet from the net? And if you remember our transformations of functions, if we move her back 2 feet, then we're going to add 2 to our function, to the part of the x, right? So f of x is equal to negative 0.25. Instead of being x minus 2, it's going to be x minus 2 plus 2, because we're moving in the negative direction, squared plus 8. Okay, and so now, if we do that, negative 2 and positive 2, those cancel each other out, and we are left with f of x now equals negative 0.25 times x squared. I guess I could have just done x squared plus 8. And now if we do the volleyball net, which is still at 0, if we plug in a 0 for x, then this first part goes away, and we're just left with 8 feet. And so yes, if she moves back 2 feet, the ball will clear the net because it will be at 8 feet. And so it'll clear it by a good 6 inches, which, by the way, this is the maximum height of the ball before it starts coming down again. Okay, hopefully you tried that before watching the video. It'd be more fun to solve that on your own, but if you needed the video, then good, I'm glad it's there. All right, that's it for this one.